With the new year here, everyone's talking about resolutions, but resolutions fade. What really lasts is mindset. And here's the mindset to carry with you through this year. Let go of what's gone. Be grateful for what remains and look forward to what's coming. Let's break this down. First, letting go of what's gone. Maybe it's a relationship, a job, or a version of yourself you thought you'd still be. Holding on too tightly keeps you stuck in a story that's already finished. Second, being grateful for what remains. Gratitude doesn't erase loss, but it brings perspective. It reminds you of what's still in your hands. The people, the opportunities, the moments you can experience today. And third, looking forward to what's coming. Hope is fuel. Looking forward gives you a reason to keep moving, even when the present feels heavy. So here's my challenge. Ask yourself, which one of these do I need most right now? Letting go, gratitude, or looking forward? Write it down, sit with it, and let it guide you to show up this week with something new.